Hey everybody, welcome back. Today I'll be drawing a super easy car. So if you've never drawn one before, don't be afraid. It's super easy. Anyone can do it, and I know you can. So grab a piece of paper, pen, pencil, whatever you need, and we'll get started. Here we go. So to begin my drawing, we will draw a ground line. So this is the line that the car will be sitting on. So we'll just draw a line, use a straight edge. You can freehand this if you want. If you have a circle template, grab that, and this will be our one wheel. And then what we want to do is we want to do two circles in between the other wheel. So there's 1, 2 over here. So about 2 circle wheel spacing in between. We can draw a smaller circle in between each of these. And then you can draw a little dot in the middle, a straight line, 5 spokes. So we'll do like a peace symbol, and then we'll do another couple lines all coming out of the center of that point. And we'll do the same on this side. So the next thing I'll do is I'm going to come up from my ground line. I'll come up a bit, and I'm going to draw a line right about here to over here. So we're not going to go and touch those wheels. We're just going to extend them like this and follow the curve of our wheel like this. And then we'll do the same around here. So we'll go around our wheel like that, and we'll come down and we'll stop about here, and we'll do the same on the back side. We can draw a line at an angle for the back bumper, and then we'll come up and back into our fender shape, and we'll do the same in the front. Come like this upwards, hook this up, round it, and come back to the wheel well right there. We can draw a line straight up to somewhere about here, and we can do the same on the front. Come up like this at a slight angle, and then what I'll do is I'm going to join these 2 points together up like this a little bit, so that'll be the highest point in the back. And now I'm going to come across, and I'm just going to go until I join that right there. I'll grab my ruler again, and we'll draw another line in between the 2 wheels. From this center point of our wheel, we can draw an imaginary line up, and we can actually come through the body of the car here, and then I'll draw a line in front of that line and behind that line. In the center of my wheel here, come up right about here, and we'll come up at an angle like this, and we'll draw another line following that. We'll connect these 2 lines together, and we'll do the same down here. And then I'm going to draw a line from the top. This will come straight down and end right there at this line. And on either side in the window, we'll follow that line and we'll stop. So that's just in this area here. We can draw a door handle somewhere around here. You could do a fancy one if you like. I'm going to go to the back of the car and draw the rear tail light. I'm going to come up like this. Now for the headlight, I'm going to come off of the hood of the car like this. Then I'm going to come down, and then I'm going to come back towards the front of the car. And inside here, I'll use a thinner marker, and I'll draw 2 oval shapes like this. Those are our little lights. Now we want to show some wheel thickness, so you'll take this bottom curve of your circle and just do a shape like that. And we can do another one over here, so we'll curve like this. You can join a couple more lines here. If you extend this towards the wheel, and the same over here. Okay, that was easy, wasn't it? It didn't take us long. Very basic, very simple. I think yours is gonna look good. I'm gonna go ahead and color this in. I'm gonna do a red car. So why don't you guys watch and see what I do. I'll see you in a sec. So there you go, guys. I had a ton of fun drawing this car. It was super easy, a lot of basic shapes. I went and kind of rendered it and markered it and colored it a little bit with some extra details, but it's super easy to do. So hopefully you enjoyed it. Please like my channel and don't forget to subscribe so that you can see all of my other videos coming up. All right, guys, see you next time. Bye-bye.